Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about where I live. I live in the countryside. My house is in a small and quiet village. Around my house there are rice fields and many trees, so the air is fresh. Near my house there is a small market, a river, and a playground. I often go to the market with my parents. In my free time, I like walking, riding my bike, and playing with my friends. In the evening, I usually walk around the village or sit near the river. I do their activity almost every day. I like living in the countryside because life is quiet and peaceful. The people are friendly and I feel happy and comfortable in my neighborhood. Goodbye.